Remember when mobile phones were only used to make phone calls? Well, thanks to sophisticated software, mobile phones have evolved and are now a workplace necessity, an integrated tool to communicate on various channels, and also a means of entertainment. The world is now fully connected. You can create live video streams, control your smart home, your car, practically everything. The sheet metal industry is evolving too. And we want to give everyone access to smart digital solutions. Software that will turn your factory from analog operations to fully digital. This will be a total game changer. We've developed an entire interconnected ecosystem. We not only streamline your production process, but our software handles all your business management tasks too, giving your employees the freedom to focus on what's really important. And it will put you in total control of your operations. You will be able to make smarter decisions based on real data. This allows you the freedom to collaborate and operate with more transparency. Our complete software ecosystem handles everything. We want to help you bring your factory into the digital age, giving you freedom to achieve your goals. Be part of our vision to digitalize every sheet metal factory with the launch of our BySoft Suite. Your best choice, making digital happen.